guys, we got a snack crate. We're going to open it. It's full of snacks from different countries from around the world. Alright, what country is it going to be? Israel. Holy moly. Holy moly, guys. Alright, let's keep tasting. Alright, let's do it. Israel. This is our first one. The Bisley wheat snack. Pizza flavour.
Bisley.
Is it what it is? Bisley?
I don't know.
So it is a Bisley wheat snack. Wheaty snacks with a flavour louder than they crunch. With flavours such as barbecue or smoky, these will take your taste buds on a zesty trip. Pizza flavour.
Oh,
So
nice.
it looks.
You can hold it. No. It looks a bit weird. It looks like
Smells
cereal.
like
It smells wrong.
barbecue Doritos.
Yeah, they do smell like Doritos.
And they taste good.
They taste, what do they taste like?
Green waves.
Grain waves, yeah. They taste like grain waves. They taste nice. What do you think, Douglas?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Delicious.
Number 2.
Oh.
Bamba.
Oh,
Peanut
Bamba.
butter puffs. Oh, they look like twisties. You should get 3, didn't they? And open it up, Marcus. Delicious peanut flavoured puffed corn snack that is highly regarded all over Israel. They melt in your mouth with
Do
every
they?
bite. We'll see.
It tastes like peanuts. I mean, it smells like it. I didn't taste it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, looks like it's twisty, but it's like
No, it's yellow.
yeah, not orange.
You get in this then.
Oh,
It smells like peanut butter.
I just kind of like
it tastes like peanut. Yeah,
There's a no from me. It does taste
Kinda
like
weird.
peanut butter.
it tastes
But
like
it's
peanut butter.
I kind of like
I get
in
down
your
on it.
mouth. It turns into almost peanut butter, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does turn into peanut
Because it's
butter.
so soft.
That's why she
Nah.
wants in your mouth.
Peanut butter doesn't
Yeah,
belong
kind of
in a chip.
chewy, yeah. Like, well, not chewy, but hard to eat almost because they're,
What? What do
Coat
you
your
mean?
mouth.
I get so thick. Dang, what's the next
Yeah,
one?
drinks.
Next we've got a P-Sex, I don't know how to say this. P-Sex E-Man. Classic.
Classic.
P-Sex E-Man.
I'll pronounce it, guys.
Pizzaxaban. This popular treat features crisp and airy wafers filled with luscious hazelnut cream and dipped in milk
Luscious.
chocolate.
What's hazelnut?
It sounds like a Kit Kat.
I can't wait to taste the lasho.
P-Sex E-Man.
It's all melted.
No!
What is it?
Milk chocolate bar filled with wafer. Luscious
Filled
wafer.
with what?
Luscious wafer and hazelnuts.
Just eat it, mate. I just told you the description.
Oh my
The people are
gosh.
waiting.
People are waiting. I can't open it without it like damaging the bar, guys. Go. It looks like a nice bar.
I'm
That's
not.
like no.
I'm not. Really? Snap it off.
Give me a bite.
Bite the rest of that off.
Yeah.
It'd be better if it wasn't as melted, I'm guessing.
Yeah. It
At the
tastes
moment, it's just kind of
It
like
tastes like-
Nutella with wafers.
It smells nice.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
These are oodles.
Noodles.
Oodles. These sweet, tiny, ball-shaped fruit chews are popular throughout Israel. We've included a few of our favourite flavours
Oh, I
for you
think
to
I
try.
might like these.
So we've got, what flavour is it, Marcus?
Green.
Green apple. And then we've got blue raspberry.
No.
And tiny, tangy, fruity chews. Just
We're gonna do those ones last, because then let's.
Yeah, got the top open.
put in there.
Slime. Oh.
The top failed to open properly. I hate that.
Already.
If there's one thing I hate, it's when the top doesn't open.
Yeah, it is annoying.
Look,
See,
and
look,
it's a real hard
you can't even
package
get
now.
into it, can you?
It is a real hard
Someone's
package.
gonna go get scissors.
Give it to the boss.
The boss,
Give it
that's
to the
right.
boss.
Meanwhile, I'll
Look,
try and open
got
the.
it.
Meanwhile, we can
Shooting
open these.
Here they are, the little
Oh,
blue
gimme.
people things.
Smells like nerds.
They're chewy.
Oh,
Just say chewy.
I love these.
Honey tasty fruity. Chewy.
We need to save these. No one eat them. I'm gonna store them.
I can see why they're popular throughout Israel.
Oh,
I'm opening up the green apple. I reckon these ones will be green.
They don't smell as much as the last ones.
No, they don't.
I dropped one. Where is it?
Or is it green apple?
I like these
Tastes
ones.
like green apple. The
I
last
like
ones
these
are better.
So we got green, blue.
I've only got one colour.
Do you? Yeah. Yeah, not as nice. The best ones are the apple.
Thanks for that.
Next snack, we have a Clickin' milk cream. A sweet, crispy bar filled with decadent, creamy milk, then coated with a generous layer of white and milk chocolate. It looks like a Moro Gold. Let's see inside.
That was very milky.
I like the sweets in Israel. Next we have Fluffy Tuffies.
Candy.
Tuffy tuffy.
Chewy taffies that come in several different tangy fruity flavours. The intense and aromatic flavour sets these candies apart from... Oh, it's real hard.
I'll try this purple one.
Wait, Daddy, you need to not have all of that, right?
Why not?
Because there's only one of them.
We can't half a lolly.
I can.
Okay, well, we'll just try them. Okay.
My bandy.
Still haven't had it yet.
It's nice. I like it. Would you consider travelling to Israel to eat these snacks?
Only. I don't know. Why are you asking me this? I was a kid.
What was your favourite thing out of the snack box?
Oh. All of these ones. These.
The oodles.
Yeah.
Nah.
Oddies. Oddlies.
Oodles?
Oodles.
Oodles.
Yeah,
Same as
th-
Marcus.
those are mine.
Mine was a star.
I bagged them both.
That's delicious. Would you consider travelling to Israel to eat these snacks?
Definitely.
Views! Get those motherfucking views! And subscribe.